Our computer programming is full of numbers and codes. We generate many algorithms based on the properties of numbers. Let's learn some properties of numbers. If A and E belongs to set A and A dot circle E is equal to A is equals to E dot circle A, where dot circle is a binary operation, then the element E of set A is said to be an identity element under operation dot circle. Additive identity. Consider a rational number minus 4 by 5. Add 0 to this number. What is the sum? The sum is minus 4 by 5. Look at one more example. Minus 2 by 3 plus 0 equals to minus 2 by 3 equals to 0 plus minus 2 by 3. From the above examples, we can say that the sum of any rational number and 0 is the rational number itself. Therefore, 0 is called the additive identity for rational numbers. Let us consider a rational number 4 by 5. What number should we multiply with 4 by 5 to get 4 by 5? 1 is the answer. If we multiply 1 with any rational number, then the product is the rational number itself. That is, if A by B is any rational number, then A by B multiplied by 1 equals to A by B equals to 1 multiplied by A by B. Therefore, 1 is called multiplicative identity of rational numbers. If A dash and E belongs to set A and A dot circle A dash is equal to A dash dot circle A, where E is an identity element of dot circle, a binary operation, then the element A dash of set A is said to be an inverse element of A under operation dot circle. Additive inverse. Consider a rational number 4 by 5. What should we add to 4 by 5 to get the sum as 0? Minus 4 by 5. Look at this example. Minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 equals to 0. If A by B is a rational number, then there exists a rational number minus A by B such that A by B plus minus A by B equals to 0. Here, minus A by B is the negative or additive inverse of A by B. In the given examples, minus 4 by 5 is the additive inverse of 4 by 5. Consider a rational number 2. By what number should we multiply it to get the product as 1? The answer is 1 by 2. 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 equals to 1. Look at the example. Minus 3 by 5 multiplied by minus 5 by 3 equals to 1. 1 by 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 2. Minus 5 by 3 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5. Therefore, if A by B is a non-zero rational number, then B by A is its multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Let us consider an example. Minus 4 by 7 multiplied by 0 equals to 0 multiplied by minus 4 by 7 equals to 0 into minus 4 by 7 equals to 0. That is, the product of 0 and any rational number is 0, and hence this is multiplicative property of 0. Summary.